Imagine a world where lush gardens thrive on floating islands, surrounded by waterfalls cascading from the sky. Here, humans and nature coexist in perfect harmony, soaring above the clouds, discovering the beauty of a sky city like no other. Our explorers gather around a holographic map, marking their path to a distant, uncharted floating island. With an airship ready to take them into the unknown, the journey begins. What secrets lie hidden on this mysterious island? Only time will tell. Landing on the uncharted island, our explorers are greeted by a glowing, pulsating plant. But the real surprise comes when a strange, bird-like creature emerges from the jungle. A creature part plant, part magic, it watches them with curious eyes. A bond begins to form, unlike any they've seen before. The explorers venture further into the jungle, uncovering an ancient stone archway covered in glowing runes. It leads to a hidden grove where plants float freely in the sky. At the center, a glowing crystal pulses with energy, revealing the powerful secret this island holds. As the explorers touch the glowing crystal, an overwhelming surge of energy pulses through the island. The plants come to life, blooming and glowing. The entire island begins to rise higher into the sky, unlocking secrets long buried. This discovery is far more than they anticipated. It is a force that must be protected. As the island floats into the sky, the explorers mount their hoverboards, preparing to leave. The mysteries they've uncovered are only the beginning. With the power of the sky gardens at their fingertips, they look toward the horizon, knowing the adventure is far from over. What lies beyond the clouds is still unknown.